So we started with some cocktail. We have some brothers dropping by in a
Yes,
little bit.
yes, so I heard.
So we're drinking and we're going to roll out a little recipe. We have this cocktail, Tyrone. We're going to thank the folks at IICA for making it possible. IICA supporting a lot of the agri-processors, these small artisans. Tyrone is using 3 products. Let me just tell you the 3 products. Sun Eater's cocoa powder, Lopinot Ponche de Crème, and chocolates from House of Arendel. So it's a kind of chocolatey cocktail.
All right, chocolatey, creamy.
It's also Valentine's weekend.
That's true.
So yeah, probably
true.
Tyrone might make it Valentine's weekend. So I know how we spinning that one.
Well,
Valentine's weekend.
yes. So working with the products.
Right.
The Ponche de Crème, it's a chocolate Ponche de Crème, and I took the powder, right, the cocoa powder.
Sanitas
from
cocoa powder.
Sanitas, correct. And I made here chocolate tea, right? So I added some brown sugar, and I added some milk, and here we have the
Cocoa tea.
Cocoa tea, correct. Right, that's one of the other ingredients. And the next ingredient is the chocolate, right? And this is 65% dark cocoa, right? This one is without nibs. They have another one with nibs.
Right, that's the House of Arendel chocolate.
Yes, and then they have a 72% with sea salt. And that is what I'm gonna be using to garnish.
Right.
All right, so that's how the products are being included in the cocktail.
Right.
All right, and to the cocktail now, I'm gonna be making Irish coffee style, but no coffee. So we working with chocolates. So that's how the chocolates come in.
Spit on Irish coffee.
Yes,
Nice.
right?
Okay.
So is a calm down for the juve before we go out, right?
You're trying to depress- you're trying to depress us
so
a
while
little.
you're jumping home,
Right.
and you want to calm down, you can drink a little cocoa.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Yeah, so
Okay, Tyrone.
well, with some good fun though, right?
Right.
So we using some brandy. So I'm gonna be using say 1.5 ounces, right? So we're using this product here as well.
So-
it's a Ponche de Crème,
So it's
but
a Ponche de Crème.
made with chocolate.
Right.
All right. So
Right.
it have the cocoa nibs in it.
Right.
So you're getting a little feel from it, right? So we go with 1.5 ounces each.
Right.
So this will be the milk base of the cocktail. And here is the tea. So I'm gonna go with just 1 ounce of this tea because I made it really strong. So this drink, I'm gonna add a few blocks of ice to give this drink a nice chill. And I'm gonna stir here. So everything will be mixed together, Joe. We're mixing the alcohol with the Ponche de Crème and the cocoa tea. And to garnish this, simple, add some whipped cream.
It's really Valentine's weekend, boy.
Yeah, yeah. I said that Irish cream kind of vibe Tyrone is what you're getting there.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
So a classic cocktail with coffee
Yeah.
and Irish whiskey.
Right.
That's an Irish coffee cocktail.
Right.
So this is a twist on it, you
Yeah,
know.
using-
As I say, we
using
are
all
kind of
local
going back.
chocolate.
Yes, correct.
Yeah, using all
Quite
local
indeed.
chocolate.
So this is a delightful twist.
Yeah.
Right. And as you see, chocolate, I'm just gonna garnish with some of the 72% dark chocolate with sea salt. This has a nice flavor to it. All right, just like that. And here you go, guys.
Darren, thank you very, very much. Let me just sit up on his own. Real
Thank you very much, sir.
So guys, this is no time like now, but support local. These are 3 local products that we use to create House of Arendel, their chocolates, a Lopinot brand of Ponche de Crème. It's a chocolate Ponche de Crème,
Yes.
chocolate Ponche de
With
Crème.
cocoa nibs.
With cocoa nibs.
Yes.
And our very own Sanita's cocoa powder. 3 local products. Cheers,
This
my
might be the
brother.
only cheers we get to do for Carnival.
Hey, seriously. I haven't seen you for the entire season.
That's
And that
so
by
true.
now, we would have seen each other at least.
By now, I'm fed up seeing
Yeah,
him.
by now we better see each other. By now we better see each other. I have some brothers to bring on, guys. So we're taking a short break. We're coming back. I'm rolling out a recipe. I'm supplying drinks and eats today. So this is the first time I was supplying
Best all
full
inclusive
drinks.
ever.
Best all inclusive. Best all inclusive. Come on back. Cup of Joe. Carnival Tabanca in full effect. Happy Hour is brought to you in part by Sanita's Cocoa Powder, Lopinot Ponche de Crème, and chocolates from the House of Arendel.